MBK cage welding. Dual weld flexible, dual welding concept for reinforcement cage welding machines. MBK's focus is always on the needs of the customer. With their requirements for automation, flexibility and quality, the customer challenges the status quo and drives future-oriented developments. The requirement at hand was to develop a high-speed cage welding machine for board, foundation piles that combine the advantages of both welding processes. As component geometries are constantly being optimized in structural design, it is often necessary to provide reinforcement for concrete elements with a filigree appearance and relatively thin longitudinal diameters of 8-25 mm, and solid components with very thick longitudinal diameters of 25-45 mm. Fast-rotating resistance welding machines are used for manufacturing the long reinforcement cages necessary for foundation piles, columns and beams as a result of their superior efficiency. This method allows longitudinal wires up to a diameter of 25 mm to be firmly welded together with cross wires up to a diameter of 12 mm. Resistance welding is less suitable for reinforcement cages with a longitudinal wire diameter 25 mm, because the amount of energy to be introduced requires more time to fuse the thick wires securely and permanently. At a particular point, the inert gas shielded arc welding process becomes more efficient than resistance welding. Wire processing. Orman wire processing, constant firing conditions for the cost-efficient production of high-quality enameled wires. These systems are designed for all conventional enamels, enameling the wire in a horizontal tube. Wire ranges: DLH2, 1570, approx. 0.015 to 0.070 mm E, Cu. DLH3, 50120, approx. 0.050 to 0.120 mm E, Cu. DLH6, 80160, approx. 0.080 to 0.160 mm E, Cu. DLH7, 125250, approx. 0.125 to 0.250 mm E, Cu. DLH8, 160360, approx. 0.160 to 0.360 mm E, Cu. DLH8, 200500, approx. 0.200 to 0.500 mm E, Cu. DLH8, 3001250, approx. 0.300 to 1.250 mm E, Cu. The range of OMPAR production includes patent machines as machines for the finishing of chains, fast, easy to use and extremely flexible. Multifunctional machinery up to 14 seam axis, that allow to reproduce three-dimensional workings, drawings, loaded by any sewers, on different item with the highest quality. CN diamond cutting machines to decorate all kind of designs on jewelry products. Automatic diamond cutting machines to carry out designs on variable molding chains. Seamed machinery for particular workings on special items and suitable for specified needs of our clients. The OMPAR technical and commercial staffs are at the complete disposal of their clients in order to satisfy any requirements, also for the technical assistance post-sale. Precision Mechanics Workshop for Diamond Cutters Production, thanks to the internal technical department, and to the computerized supports developed, is able to fully provide the design of more and more valid, technical solutions fitting the most specific requirements of the customers. The actual production goes from the classic and always good diamond cutting machine RI/2000 to the new RI/4 to diamond cut strips in continuos, from the new CN controlled machines to work rings, bangles, medals and flat objects up to various manual, automatic machines. The OMPAR models DVP/N9 and DVP/N9 numeric control diamond cutting machines suitable for diamond cutting bead chains and single beads respectively. Their seam utilizes a specific program created by OMPAR themselves, easy to use and common to most of the company's seamed diamond cutting machine, rough worldwide. Toroidal winding machines. Global. The global is for standard winding applications. The new controller with touch screen panel is user-friendly, and it is very easy to understand. Just a few inputs are needed for create a winding program. All standard winding methods are available, e.g., tape/wire winding, index, reverse winding. Several winding sequences can be written in one winding program, so for example different pitch and index EC. More than 200 programs can be saved on this control. All languages in Latin characters are available on this controller, rough worldwide. Toroidal winding machine. SISMA offers a wide-ranging and futuristic selection of production solutions specifically studied for the dental field: manual laser welding systems, 3D metal powder, laser printers based on laser metal fusion technology, process solutions hardware and software, and the new professional DLP 3D solutions using resin polymerization by means of light projection. Dental welding starter kit. Dental welding starter kit. It is a kit consisting of spools of titanium and cobalt chromium addition material, titanium bars of standard size, and a USB memory, which contains user guides for dental technicians and welding parameters. The kit facilitates those who undertake for the first time the use of a SISMA welder in the dental business, allowing the creation of total and or partial bars and the repair of various dental components. The parameters in the USB memory correspond to the default settings of the welding environment depending on specific materials and or applications. In this way, the user does not have to develop parameters independently or start from scratch looking for the best welding conditions. The user receives a set of parameters already optimized for those specific applications, without having to undertake a dedicated internal development activity. It speeds up the refinement process of complex operations by offering a validated starting point. It provides an optimized, validated, and compatible configuration between materials, parameters, applications and welding system. SISMA Dental Welding Starter Kit can be used with the entire range of SISMA LM laser welders. SISMA offers a wide-ranging and futuristic selection of production solutions specifically studied for the dental field: manual laser welding systems, 3D metal powder, laser printers based on laser metal fusion technology, process solutions. FEMA Industry Technology. What we do. We convey our competence, professionalism and ingenuity through all areas we operate in, from the trading sector to automation and robotics. Our main goal is customer satisfaction and exporting the made in Italy. What we make. We produce cutting equipment for most kinds of polythene foam. Horizontal, vertical, zinc, manual, splitting, profiling, you name it and we got it. With cutting-edge technology. Pun intended, it's his model of machine. Horizontal systems. Meet our horizontal systems. From the most experienced one to the youngest, they all share the same characteristics of high productivity and reliability. They are proudly recommended in many different areas and sectors, and can achieve great results in little time. Slitting and splitting are quite easy jobs for these machines, so they could take it nice and slow. But instead, they can process more than 2 tons on foam per hour. Quite the staccanovite is our horizontal slitter, which can create sheets and slabs out of PU blocks. It features a horizontal moving table equipped with a vacuum system. With its high processing speed and low friction materials, it cuts great volumes of material in short periods of time. FEMA Industries profiling systems are different from all the other ones. Their action on polythene is quite unique, as they use the principle of geometric distortion to shape slabs into convoluted sheets. The rollers press the material close to the blade, and by cutting it the shape is preserved. Ever wondered how those wavy sheets are made? Check these systems out and prepare to be amazed. Custom spring manufacturers. Since 1885. Whether you're looking to retrofit machinery or custom build the right spring to fit your new application, some can accommodate. We have a knowledgeable and experienced support staff to assist you in the design and manufacture of your custom spring. Some Spring Works has a history of collaborating with our customers to create the most consistent quality custom compression springs such as coil springs, heart wound and Inconel to fit their applications. Our engineers and technicians have worked side by side with our customers to design the perfect spring, and we back up your expertise with ours. We have the knowledge and experience to help improve existing spring applications or help create new springs from design to completion. Our range of products was, and still is, unprecedented. We can manufacture from 0.005 to 4.00 wire, and bar diameter compression, extension, and torsion springs. We also offer wire forms, coil tubing, stampings, metal spinning, bow springs, and water jet capabilities. On top of the wide range of forms, we also stock an extensive variety of materials. From baseline spring-tempered carbon steel, to exotic alloys, such as Inconel X750, MP35N, and Ilgilloy, our on-hand inventory is unparalleled. We also do not require a minimum order, and we offer expediting options for orders that must have a quick turnaround. Some offers unique custom, spring design software free for any prospective customer to use on our design program. On top of viewing the details of your design directly on our website, you may submit your designs to any of our sales representatives for assistance and technical advice with the click of a button. Quality has been a primary focus for our custom spring operation. Throughout our history, providing the best product possible has been our goal. FEMA is your partner for excellence in architecture for facades and roofs. Roofs should not limit space, instead they should open up space. The Russian painter Wassily Kandinsky was convinced that needs create form. We believe that this opens up enormous opportunities for design. A contradiction? Not if you orientate yourself to the greatest architect of all time, nature. The leaf is the archetypal form of roof. Its shape is the only right one for the particular place where it grows. Its sustainable design is matched perfectly to the respective environmental conditions. Its richness of variety inspires the observer to give full rein to his/her imagination. FEMA builds roofs which expand the horizon of the doable. We give planners and architects the freedom they need to break away from conventions. At the same time, we satisfy people's basic need for safe roofs and facades. Using state-of-the-art high-tech systems, and with over 30 years of experience. Quality and perfection. We only use quality materials from renowned suppliers. The multitude of available materials, surfaces and colors can be combined optimally. Our 3D planning service and flexible substructure systems provide a secure basis for our FEMA Monroe free-form system. Individuality. We support the courage of unusual approaches and distinctive architecture. Variable widths of standing seam tracks and lengths of over 100 meters are both flexible and secure. Concave and convex arches down to the smallest radii can be achieved, and the tracks are adjusted to the shape of the building. Internationality. FEMA is a global brand comprised of several strong, independent companies. With branches and partners in Europe, North and South America, the Middle East and Singapore, we are represented globally at 7 production locations and numerous mobile